Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with IRS Free File for eligible tax filing, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official IRS Free File website. Once there, you'll see a list of participating tax software providers. Take the time to review the options available to find one that fits your situation. Make sure you are aware of the eligibility criteria for Free File. Generally, individuals with an adjusted gross income of $73,000 or less can qualify. When you select a provider, click on their link to be directed to their site. You'll likely need to create an account with the selected software. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile. Gather all necessary documents for your tax filing. These typically include your W-2 forms, 1099s, and any other relevant financial documents. Provide the required information when prompted by the software. This may involve entering your personal details and income information. If you have dependents, be sure to include them in your filing. As you navigate through the software, take your time to ensure accuracy. Review all entered data before proceeding to the next step. Once you've completed your tax return, the software will allow you to review it. If everything looks correct, proceed to file your return electronically. Make sure to opt for direct deposit if you want a quicker refund. After submitting, the software will typically confirm your filing. Keep a copy of your filed tax return and any confirmation details for your records. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section of the software or the IRS website. You can also reach out to customer support if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.